Hello fellow trans lovers, I'm your girl Lady. If you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So Kayise Nqula is slowly recovering for her husband's passing and she is living with his memories. Here she is throwing a first birthday party for her son Uzu. Go watch everything inside his birthday party. I'm out till next time.
Worth falling for. Oh, and with open arms I'll carry yours. Come, rain or shine, I'll cover you up and calm the skies as long